plastic wide. And it come like it chip the phone and everything. Yeah man, I say man can't bother without that tell you about do this to that. Them easy for them tell you say see something they do. But when they push out them help them now do none. Because I send out paper and there's nobody I don't. The few people them where they do is those that send them money come. The woman we are land for our house to live. Our water make our house now live because it come like through the rain thing. Our place now dry up, and up to the other day we go down there, water, living water like a pool. So until the land they get to dry up, so we can get to dig the foundation, because we can't just go throw cement in our water and the foolishness here. We have to set the house properly. So we have to wait till we get some form of dry time to set our house the proper way. You understand?